So this muddy mess right here starts here at the new construction, and it's going down the street, all the way down the street, as you can see. And we're gonna follow it all the way down, all the way down Wampus. And we got to here, and then across the street to Winnipeg. Of course, you can't see it, but a little bit here. Some of Mrs. Rose yard, all the way down to our storm drain. And nothing on this way, so we know where it came from.